Unlock the secrets to captivating portrait photography with your Canon Eos 250d and transform your snapshots into timeless works of art. First, let's talk settings. Switch your camera to Aperture Priority Mode Y that's off on your dial. This gives you control over depth of field, which is crucial for portraits. For that beautiful, blurred background, commonly known as bokeh, set your aperture to a low f number, like f1.8 or f2.8. The lower the number, the more blurred your background will be, making your subject pop. Next, lighting. Natural light is your best friend. Position your subject near a window, ensuring the light hits them from the side or slightly in front. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that creates unflattering shadows. If the light is a bit uneven, a simple reflector even a white foam board can bounce light back onto your subject, filling in any harsh shadows and adding a nice catchlight to their eyes. Now, composition. Think about the rule of thirds. Imagine dividing your frame into 9 equal sections with 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Position your subject along these lines or at their intersections for a more dynamic and engaging shot. Always aim for eye level with your subject. This creates a more personal and intimate connection in your portrait. Don't be afraid to try different angles, but eye level is a great starting point. For sharp focus, especially on the eyes, use a single autofocus point and place it directly over your subject's nearest eye. This ensures your subject's gaze is perfectly clear, drawing the viewer in. Finally, connect with your subject, encourage them to be natural, tell them jokes, or play some music. A genuine smile or thoughtful expression will always elevate your portraits. By mastering these simple techniques, you're well on your way to capturing stunning, emotional portraits with your Canon Eos 250d. Now go out there and start creating.